GTV.
In a bag with a gang. They gotta catch me if they want me to hang. 'Cause I'm back on the track and I'm eating a flag. Nobody's gonna get me on another rag.
Hey people, welcome to the next edition of GTV. Here we are in Malaga, Spain. Paul and I, let's introduce you to Paul. Not quite sure how we do that. Paul, say a quick hello for the video.
Hello.
Hello, Paul. Welcome to Spain. Flown down this morning and now we're heading off on the motorcycles for a few days. It's beautiful weather here, blue skies-ish. No rain, thankfully. Today we're riding these pieces of junk, BMW R1250. This one's a rally, I think, that Paul's riding. This is the one I'll be riding. It is an HP. The panniers on, the whole 9 yards. So see how we get on. We're ready to roll. Talk to you in a bit. This is the start of the descent to the viewpoint where we can see the famous bridge of Ronda. Wow, a lot of people coming past huffing and puffing. It's a bit worrying after 2 glasses of Vin Rouge. What a beautiful afternoon. Evening, in fact. What time is it? It is 6:15 local time. Wow. Let's bounce then. Here's the bull, the Commodore of the Bull Ring. Here we are in Ronda, outside of Malaga. We've had a lovely ride this afternoon up here. We've had a lovely evening, done a bit of sightseeing, we've chilled, we've had some wine and beer and some lovely food. There's Paul. Say hello, Paul.
Hello, Paul.
Yeah, nice. Miserable. And here's the bull. We've come to pay our respects to the bull of Ronda. And here he is. Or she. No, it's definitely a he. He's got the right pair of nuts on him. Anyway.
Because you look so fine that I really want to make you mine. I said you look so fine that I really want to make you mine. 4, 5, 6, come on and get your kicks. Now you don't need the money when you look like that, do you, honey? Big black boots, long brown hair.
Quick, look at me.